Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to block an email sender on your AOL mail account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in mail.aol.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official AOL mail website. Now from the home page, click on the login button at the top right corner if you haven't already logged into your account. You can then use your account credentials to log in, and once you have been logged into your account, you can click on the inbox menu to see all of the emails that you have received. Now if you have a sender that you wish to block, you can simply open up their email by clicking on it and you will be able to see the email. Now from the email, click on the three dots at the bottom section which says More. This will now open up a small menu within which you will find the block sender option. Go ahead and click on this and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to block this user. Make sure to click on the email address and activate the checkbox, and you also have the option to block all future emails and to delete all existing emails. Make sure you choose your settings carefully and then click on the OK button, and as soon as you click on OK, the email that you just selected or the sender of this particular email will be blocked and your selected preferences will also be applied. And there you have it. That is how you can block any sender within your AOL mail account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.